Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to grow your followers using LinkedIn Ads Manager. Alright, so let's jump right straight into the video and visit the description section to access other ad objectives, specifically conversion and sales ads objective, and so much more. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we'll visit linkedin.com. So click on advertise at the top right corner. So make sure you find the right ad account you want to use. I'm simply going to do an overview for you guys. All right, so this is how, once it takes you to this point, these are some of the ad accounts you could select. Any of your ad accounts you want to use, select them. But take note, this is where you decide or where the ad account is under. So for this particular one, this is a business manager account. So this ad account is under a business manager account. So for some of you might be using an ad account that is under your LinkedIn personal profile. So in order for you to switch across different business manager accounts or your profile, you click here at the top right, then you select. So these are other business portfolios, or rather, these are other business manager accounts, and this is your profile. So the ad account we want to use is already under Bright. Okay, so we're not going to switch. So we simply scroll down and find the ad account. So this is the ad account we want to use. We've spent about over $200 on this ad account. So we click here, click on the ad account to select it. So once it opens, next thing you do, you click on advertise. So next we're going to click on create to run a new ads. So you click on campaign again. So you could give it a name. So we're going to call this one grow followers. Okay, so these are different objectives you could select under the campaign objective. So this is brand awareness for reach more people with your posts, website visits. So you're basically sending traffic, this engagement to increase your social engagement like likes, comment, and shares, and also page followers. This is video views to get more video views. Okay, this is job application if you want to, get more persons to apply for your job. This is website conversion, so capture leads or drive action on your website, like sales for people to fill a form or submit a form. This is also lead generation, so gathering info from people interested in your business. So you could use this for lead. But what we're doing today is engagement because we want to grow the company page. So we're going to leave budget optimization for this level. Okay, set and end a start date. Okay, so we want this to start today. I'm going to set an end date also. So let's say we want this to run for maybe 3 days. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's 3 days. It's just a simple ad we're running. You could also go for set start and end date with budget. But remember, I said we're not going to set any budget on this campaign level. Okay, so click on next. So classic and accelerated, you choose one of these. So I'm going to go for the classic. Accelerated is more like using AI, but I prefer the classic. Classic gives you more control. So we are going to go for classic, then click on next. So usually whenever I'm growing followers, I usually make it a broad targeting. Okay, I'm just setting a name here under the ad set name, follow. You could name it anything you want. Okay, what's your marketing? Okay, let's delete this one. Just leave it, no specific offering. Yeah, no specific offering. Let's leave it like that. So we're not going to do any serious targeting, like I said, but you could change your location. I want to target only Nigeria for now, so I'm going to leave this. To edit your location, you click on this edit button. So no targeting for this format. You could use single image, carousel, video, or followers. Promote your LinkedIn page to acquire followers. Okay, So let's do this one. Okay, we're gonna skip this. So we keep going down. So daily budget, let's just do, let's do $25 per day. So you should start today and end. We're gonna set an end date. So ends on this day. Okay, so that's all. Let's see optimization goal. Let's see the options. Okay. Okay, so this is recommended, so we're gonna leave it that way. So this is optional. We're just going to leave this. I'm not tracking any conversion sales. Then we'll click on next. Save. Next, we create the ad. So click on create new ad. Okay, follow the headline. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. So this is kind of automated, so you could select any of these options. I'm going for this one. So this is a company. So our company logo is already there. You could also upload if you want. Okay, so this is recommended. We're also going to use this, making it easy for us. Then call to action is visit company. Okay, so they can follow us. Okay, so you see, it says non-followers of your company or showcase page will be prompted to follow. All right, so those who are not following will see a follow button. So let's click on save ad. Then we'll click on next. Okay. After you're done verifying all the updates, you click on launch ad set. Okay. Click on X. So you allow, okay, it's already active. It's how to run an ad that increase your followers on LinkedIn. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Cheers.